To improve your understanding of the Australian accent, first, hear how the words sound and read the phonetic spelling. Then, say the words as they light up on screen. Finally, practice each phrase 3 times to remember it. Good luck, and remember, staying consistent is the key to success. Could I grab a flat white, please? Could I grab a flat white, please? Could I grab a flat white, please? Sure. Full cream milk, okay? Sure. Full cream milk, okay? Sure. Full cream milk, okay? Can I get a shot of vanilla too? Can I get a shot of vanilla too? Can I get a shot of vanilla too? Yep, that's just an extra 50 cents. Yep, that's just an extra 50 cents. Yep, that's just an extra 50 cents. Do you have any cutlery? Yep. Do you have any cutlery? Yep. Do you have any cutlery? Yep. Yes, just over there in the tray. Yes, just over there in the tray. Yes, just over there in the tray. What flavour are your muffins? What flavour are your muffins? What flavour are your muffins? We've got apple and cinnamon or blueberry. We've got apple and cinnamon or blueberry. We've got apple and cinnamon or blueberry. How much is that caramel slice? How much is that caramel slice? How much is that caramel slice? They're $4.50 each. They're $4.50 each. They're $4.50 each. Could we get some water for the table? Could we get some water for the table? Could we get some water for the table? No worries, I'll bring it over in a sec. No worries, I'll bring it over in a sec. No worries, I'll bring it over in a sec. I'll get the sourdough. Does it come toasted? I'll get the sourdough. Does it come toasted? I'll get the sourdough. Does it come toasted? Whatever you like, fresh or toasted. Whatever you like, fresh or toasted. Whatever you like, fresh or toasted. Do you have any more apricot danishes? Do you have any more apricot danishes? Do you have any more apricot danishes? No, sorry, that was the last one. No, sorry, that was the last one. No, sorry, that was the last one. Can we get a table for two? Can we get a table for two? Can we get a table for two? Yeah, I'll just wipe one down for you. Yeah, I'll just wipe one down for you. Yeah, I'll just wipe one down for you.